How to add effects in WavePad Audio Editor. First of all, open the WavePad Audio Editor on your computer. Next, open the audio file you want to edit by clicking on the File menu and selecting Open File, or simply press Ctrl+O for quick access. Once your audio file is loaded into the editor, go to the Effects tab located at the top toolbar. From the list of available effects, browse through categories like Reverb, Echo, Equalizer, Amplify, and many more. Click on the effect you want to apply, and the new window will open with various settings to customize the effect. Adjust the settings as needed, then use the preview button to listen to how the effect changes your audio. When you are happy with the result, click Apply to add the effect to your audio file. You can repeat the process to add multiple effects or chain effects together for a unique sound. Finally, save your edited audio by clicking on File and then Save As to keep the original file safe. And that's it. Now you know how to add effects in WavePad Audio Editor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.